here we are. So guys, welcome to my room in Washington. Okay, look, this is the first thing you will see when you come inside. My bedroom. My dilemma again, which bed to take tonight? The left or the right? I've learned from a colleague to not take the bed facing TV because this is the most used bed. So let's just take their advice. And this is the view from the other side of the room. How luxurious. We have a little salon here. Salon. Hi. Look. How cute. Very convenient if we do our makeup tonight. And from here, let's go to the bathroom. Everything is much bigger except the bathroom. That's it, guys. Alright, sorry for the toilet paper. Small shower. Alright, we really need to take it right now. It's after the flight, so it's very small. Hair dryer, of course, for our balding head. And guys, we have a walk-in closet. Ta-da-da-da. Voila. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the small tour. So we are back in the room after our gym session. Flight time from Amsterdam to Washington took us about 9 hours. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning in the Netherlands. But just before sleeping here in the USA, because I always get hungry around midnight, I need to go to the Chinese restaurant nearby. I hope they're open today. I'll have a bit of a dinner and then hit the sack. And of course, guys, the moment you've been waiting for, of course, our bed test. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Nah, this is a bit hard though. But we will take the bed at the window side. I'll see you later. I'll have to take a shower right now. After the gym, you don't want to smell me. Okay, I'll see you and speak to you later. So here we are. We just came from the Chinese restaurant. Ordered a mixed veggie with chicken. Well, at least if I can open it. Whoa, look at this. Ta-da! Eating healthy, guys. A small rice as a side dish. How cute. How cute. Yes, this is an Asian thing, right? We stick together like rice. Life en route, guys. I shouldn't be eating this one already because it's 2 a.m. in the Netherlands, but it's just like 8 something here in Washington. I'll be eating our mixed veggies with, of course, the rice, and here it is, accompanied with our orange juice. So I'll enjoy this one just before sleeping. I'll come back to you, okay? See ya. So today guys, we are going for a walking tour here in Washington with a couple of my colleagues. So I'll see you later. First stop I think is Georgetown. I hope there's plenty to see up there. Look at this hotel. Very spooky. Okay, see you later. So ayan guys, super cold here in Washington. My snow, first snow of the year. So we're just having some cup of coffee here at the blue bottle. So unbelievable, we're just here. We're back again. Diba? Wow guys, I just can't believe it. We're back again here, but in the winter season. And I'm really glad we are free to go outside. Diba? Ganda. And here behind me is the obelisk. And that's reflecting water or something. Diba? Nice. So guys, ayan, first snow of the year. And we are here in the United States of America, Washington D.C. Oh, lamig, it's too cold. It's actually a shawl. I use this one as a bonnet. I don't know where to go. I still have a couple of hours here. I think about 5 hours. I think I'm just going to just going to the Dollar Drama. Buy a couple of things. We need that help. Then go back to the hotel, have some sleep, and then we will be on our way back home. So this is Washington D.C. from my hotel. So guys, grabe ang snow! Just a quick walk before our pickup. Some vitamin D in this cold weather. Whoa. So it's 2 hours prior to departure, guys. I just bought some Chinese food. I'd like to have a good lunch slash a dinner just before the flight. So it will be a fried rice combination. I don't know what's in it. I just saw it on the menu. So would you like to see it? So hold on a moment. Hold your horses. Da, 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 da. Well, if we can open it. This is it, guys. Oh, it looks yummy. It's a combination of everything. I think with pork, beef, and shrimps. I bought myself some lemonade and some water. So this is it. Bon appetit. I'll talk to you later just before pickup, okay? I'll just enjoy my fried rice from Washington D.C. So taste test. Ta-da-da-dam. Perfect. Talk to you later. Bye.